Has anyone else noticed this stupid trend where social justice warriors respond to you by saying, "Yikes!" As if it's some sort of win, as if it's some sort of valid retort. You know, "Oh, you seem like the kind of person who would like the KKK. Yikes!" Like, "Oh, God, avoid that guy. Oh, yeah, because I say so, because I'm a psychopathic lunatic, and everybody should totally listen to me because I'm crazy." Like, when did yikes become a comeback? How stupid are you if you seriously think that yikes is a comeback? And even worse, how stupid am I for holding a 4K camera in a vertical orientation and making a vertical video just so you'll see this as a short? I hate YouTube and I hate social justice. Take care.